The fastest bingo apps can process withdrawals much quicker than others, but the exact payout time depends on the app, withdrawal method, and whether your account needs verification. By the end, you'll know which 5 bingo apps are worth checking for payout speed and what to look at before you deposit or start playing. At number 5 is eBingo Cash ED. It's a real money bingo style app where players can compete in cash tournaments, but payout availability and processing can depend on your location and account status. If you're considering it, check the withdrawal screen first and confirm which payment methods are available to you. Number 4 is Blackout Bingo. The app uses skill-based bingo competitions, and eligible players can withdraw cash through supported methods. The key thing to check is whether your preferred withdrawal option is available before entering paid games. At number 3 is Bingo Clash. It combines bingo with competitive gameplay, and the app can offer cash prize tournaments in supported markets. Because withdrawal rules can change, check the current minimum withdrawal requirement and processing information inside the app before playing for money. Number 2 is Bingo Tour d'État. This one is worth separating from standard bingo apps because it combines bingo gameplay with tournament-style features. Availability of real money rewards depends on the market and the current version of the app, so verify the cash-out options before spending anything. And number 1 is Bingo Cash. If your main priority is finding a bingo-style game with a straightforward cash tournament format, but payout speed alone shouldn't decide which app you use. The fastest advertised withdrawal is useless if the app isn't available in your location or your preferred payment method isn't supported. There are 3 things I'd check before playing any of these. First, open the withdrawal section and see exactly which payment methods are offered. Second, check the minimum cash-out amount and any eligibility requirements. Third, look for identity verification requirements, because verification can affect how quickly a withdrawal is processed. Also, don't treat instant cash as a guarantee. Processing times can vary by payment provider, account verification, location, and app policies. So the short version is this: Bingo Cash, Blackout Bingo, Bingo Clash, and Bingo Tours are among the bingo-style apps to compare, but payout speed is only one part of the decision. Before depositing money, check the current withdrawal rules directly inside the app and confirm the cash-out method you actually want to use. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more real money gaming app comparisons.